Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cloudinary for image optimization in mobile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Cloudinary for image optimization on mobile, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.cloudinary.com and hit enter. On the home page, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on sign up to initiate the registration process. You'll be prompted to choose a registration method. You can sign up using an email and password, or opt for social media sign-in. If you choose email registration, fill in your email address and create a secure password. Review Cloudinary's terms of service and privacy policy. After agreeing, click on Create Account. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification message from Cloudinary. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Now, return to the Cloudinary homepage and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the Cloudinary dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To start optimizing images, navigate to the Media Library section. Here, you can upload images or import them from external sources. Click on the Upload button and select images from your device. Once uploaded, select an image to view optimization options. Explore settings for transforming, resizing, and delivering images. Use the image URL provided to integrate optimized images into your mobile app. Take advantage of Cloudinary's extensive documentation for advanced features. You're now ready to optimize images for your mobile application using Cloudinary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.